Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Way. Today I come up with multiple job opportunities. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get into the details. So from Airbus, there are three job opportunities. Like one is full stack developer and another is here they just mentioned intern and that is more oriented to Python, Angular, basic scripting, AI and AI and ML. And the next thing is data engineering. So these are the three opportunities from Airbus, and the location is Bangalore. So based on the role, they mention the qualification skills, and but when it comes to qualification, like for full stack developer, they mention like currently enrolled in bachelor's or master's PhD program in computer science, software engineer or related field. That means this is students from 2026 batches are eligible for this internship opportunity and solid understanding of fundamental computer science concepts, especially DSA, and a strong proficient in JavaScript and a good understanding of Python, and a basic understanding of web development concepts like HTML, CSS, HTTP, REST APIs. So these are all the different qualifications and skills. So when it comes to that means the added advantage skills like so if you have already hands-on experience in React, Vue and backend technologies like Node.js and databases MongoDB or other NoSQL databases and AWS, so these are all added advantages for this internship opportunity. And the next opportunity is from the same company only, and the location is Bangalore, and this is for qualification preferred B.Tech intern or ME MTech in mechanical computer science information technology specialized intern. So here it is somewhat mistake from their side. So they mentioned intern, so like 2026 batches are eligible, and so for this role, so the candidate must need to have Python as well as AI and ML technology related knowledge. So like some hands-on experience or project building experience like that. So must know how to work with Excel or spreadsheets or Looker Studio. And if you already have some experience with ServiceNow tool, Skywise tool, then it will be added advantage. And these are all the different requirements from their side. And so the internship duration is 6 months. And the next opportunity is they are going to hire data engineering intern from the same company Airbus, and this is also Bangalore. So here they clearly mention it is for 2026 batches and strong understanding of programming fundamentals in any programming language, and you must need to have, so here it is data engineering intern, right? So you must need to have hands-on experience with pandas and NumPy also and DSA, and that means when it comes to DSA, you need to have analytical and problem solving skills. So, and also basic knowledge of SQL. And if you already have exposure to these things like Node.js and AWS RESTful APIs, so then it will be added advantage. So, this is about the data engineering intern from Airbus. So, these are the three opportunity from Airbus. And the next internship opportunity is from a company called Futops, and the location is Pune. And here it is experience 0 to 1 years, and so this is intern to full-time conversion role. Like during internship, you will get 10K stipend, and it will be like 3 to 6 months. And when it come, if you got selected to full-time, then the CTC will be 3 to 4 LPA. And so here they mention like fresher or 0 to 1 years. So I think this is for 2024-2025 batches, and they didn't mention it is like internship. So it is more of like it is more of for 2024-2025 batches. And the next thing is Actually, here they mention here you see educational qualification, bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, data science, artificial intelligence, or a related field. So they didn't mention currently pursuing or already graduated. So 2026 batch is also eligible. You can apply, then you will get some response, right? So based on the response, you can proceed. And the next thing is, so when it comes to required skills, they mention like they are going to hire AI and ML intern. So that means, so when it comes to required skills, they mostly lean towards machine learning skills, like good understanding of ML concepts and algorithms, and proficiency in Python and relevant libraries like NumPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, LLM, OpenCV, computer vision. So these are all the other things, like mostly lean towards ML, and when it comes to LLM, so it is related to AI, and basic knowledge of deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and familiarity with DSA, and strong analytical and problem solving skills. So this is the internship come full time opportunity from Futops. And the next opportunity is from Rupeek, that is for SD1 role. So when it comes to qualifications, students from CSC, IT, ECE, EEE are eligible for this SG1 opportunity, and they mention like B.Tech graduates. So 2024, 2025 as well as 2023 batches also eligible, and strong object-oriented design and coding skills, and solid software development background including design patterns, algorithms, data structures. So this is more of like DSA, and design patterns means like low-level design like this. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. So these are all the qualifications. So as a SD1, you will work with their engineering team, and you will work on their products. Like when it comes to Rupeek, is it is more of like fintech platform. So you will work on like payments like this. So this is about the SD1 opportunity, and the next opportunity is from a company called Mindenious, and they are going to hire data analyst interns, and still 10 days left for this internship opportunity. And here they mention like currently pursuing or recently completed a degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, or related field, like 2023 to 2026 batches are eligible, and strong analytical and problem solving skills, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So when it comes to skills and qualifications, so here they mention data analyst. So this is like SQL, Python, and so in Python, like you need to have knowledge on pandas, numpy, like this, and you also need to have like some hands-on experience with R programming language, and you need to have experience with data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, etc. And these are all the additional skills and qualifications for this internship opportunity. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.